Tonight, y'all, we're making some sweating and regretting hamburgers. Y'all come on and let me show you how. Tonight, y'all, we're gonna make some hamburgers. You gotta add you a big pile of onions right in the center of your ground beef. And then he's gonna press it again. And it presses in all those pretty onions. That little gadget makes the perfect little hamburger patty. And each one of these patties weighs 8 ounces. We're going to be using this steak rub right here to put on top of our burgers. All organic. This is some good stuff, y'all. Y'all need to check it out. It's on Amazon. A little bit of salt. And now we're going to slap them in an iron skillet. Okay? We're letting our skillet heat up and we're fixing to put our burgers in. We're going to give that ground beef patties just a little bit of olive oil in there. They don't have a lot of fat. So now we're going to flip them. Ooh, they look like they're going to be good. This right here is going to be some good eating in this crazy weather we're having this afternoon. It's got real cold, but it hadn't started raining yet, like they say. We're going to go ahead and flip them. Woo, look how pretty, y'all. We're calling these burgers Sweating and Regretting. Okay, y'all, now that these burgers are done, while they're still good and hot, and we got the other two cooking, we're going to open up some sliced cheese. And we're going to put that sliced cheese right on top of that burger, just like it, and let it melt down on those patties. Just like this. Woo-wee. All right, we got the other two cooking over there still. We got some more cheese. We're going to put another piece of cheese on the bun when he puts his ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. I guess is what we'll put on his. So then he'll have a double piece of cheese. Almost like it is a quarter pounder. Our burger patties weigh exactly 8 ounces. I guess you could call that a quarter pounder. Our way. Well, y'all, like I said, this is the day right before the storm comes. This is Saturday, and they say the rain's going to start tonight. Well, Travis had to go to Walmart, and it took all he could do to come up with some hamburger buns. He didn't know if he was going to be able to find some, but he found one pack left on the back of the shelf. He said these were the last hamburger buns at Walmart. There's no bread, no eggs, and no milk. And even peanut butter's gone. So, I hope y'all find you what you need for this storm and get all prepped. But we did get lucky, and he found some hamburger buns. If any of y'all were interested in that hamburger press that he used, this is the brand. He got it off of Amazon. It's not sponsored or anything. I wished it was. But I will link it, you know, at least show y'all the brand that he used and how it works. You just push down on it and press, and it makes the perfect little hamburger patty size. It makes hamburgers a lot easier, and you don't have to roll them out with your hand. Because that makes your meat more dense and tougher. This, you just press it, and you're done. Here's our scalloped potatoes, our burgers, some shredded lettuce, some onions, our mayonnaise and mustard, and our buns that we didn't know if we would find. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that hype button. It's helping our channel grow. It's helping our videos get out there and the YouTube algorithm. And like always, thanks for watching.